Hello and welcome to my video of TV show rating Tales from Office Peak. This is Aniket Anand from I am Indore, and I am attempting a case in which we have to solve if we have to give an ad to a particular TV channel. So this is the name of the TV show Tales from Office Peak, and this is the data of all the TV of how they are reaching the audience, where TVR discusses the time spent per viewer watching the show. Reach percentage shows the percentage of people matching my show, watching their show for at least a minute. TVR, while represents the percentage of my target audience watching my show at every minute. So based on this, I have made a graph which shows that if for the past 8 weeks we have been advertising on this particular show. So this blue line represents the part of TVR. No, the part of TVR uh, in the past 8 weeks. So after we have placed the ad, the trend is normally increasing in all the sectors, be it TVR or TSV or the reach percentage before and after the ad placement. So it is more or less being stable or it is increasing. Now coming on to region wise analysis. So how do we have choose these regions? These regions are Bihar, Delhi, and Hindi speaking market. So our target audience is in North India. So that's why and also those audience are of 13 years or more. So we have taken those data and see if and they are increasing after our ad placement. And yes, we have found it to be increasing. We can see here in the yellow line, and we can again see here here in the green line for Bihar. It is more or less stable. For Delhi, it is also more or less stable, and for Hindi speaking market, it has somewhat increased. Now we can also see here that TSV and reach percentage are form a function of the y variable, which is this TVR. Now coming on to predictive analysis, if we should go for advertising on this show for the next 6 months. So what I did was a regression analysis on all of these variables. I did a time series analysis for this, while seeing the historical data of all the past weeks and regressing it over the TVR of that particular show in that particular region. And for all the reasons, I have made a forecast which says that more or less the trend is going to increase, which means that our TVR is going to increase. This is for Hindi speaking market. See here, the orange line is increasing. This is the forecast trend. Now coming on to India, we can also see here that it is also going to increase. Now coming on to Bihar, this is also going to increase. For Delhi, it is also going to increase. And for our target audience, which is 13 plus AB, which represents the population age that we are targeting, it is also going to increase. So in my opinion, I consider that advertising on this show for the next 6 months would be a safe bet. And now coming on to the areas for which the data for only week number 36 was given. So how do that compare to rest of the data which has been given for every week? For Bihar we have data in for every week from week 19 to week 36. So I took an average of all those data, and which came out to be 2.09 for Bihar, Delhi which came out to be 4.380, for HSM Hindi speaking market it came out to be 6.011. Now I am comparing these data with the week 36 data of northeastern states, Punjab, Haryana, Chandigarh and Himachal Pradesh, Rajasthan, UP, and West Bengal. So our target audience mainly lives in northeastern, this PHCHP, Rajasthan, and UP. And for all these states, we can see that it is comparable to the amount here represented in the states which we have data of all the 19 to 36 weeks. So we can safely say that yes, it will be a safe bet to advertise on this show, which has a great penetration in the North India. Thank you.